This is my Florida Prince. This thing is just ripped with peaches this year. Look at them all. Yeah. That's a crop right there, buddy. There, all the way down, all the way inside. Like every branch. Sometimes you just win a year. This is the year of the peach. Wow, there's a lot of fruit in here. Didn't even realize until they started to get a little size on them. Ridiculous. This is Florida Prince. It's a good variety. There's a bunch of tropical peach varieties that will do just as well. Tropic Beauty, Tropic Sweet, all them little low chill peaches, they all kill it. So it's about like 5 or 6 years old. It's a big old tree. A lot of fruit this year. Very nice.